So you got reviews, right? You've got testimonials, you've got your video testimonials, but what about audio testimonials? So get this, in 2015, the estimated amount of people listening to audio each week was around 44 million people. In 2021, it's about 62 million. And podcasts have blown up in popularity and audiobooks are everywhere, and each year more and more people are listening to digital audio. That means having content in audio form can only be a helpful thing for you. And in fact, I just noticed this the other day that Facebook has now added audio and video rooms on their mobile app. So with all that being said, creating audio testimonials would probably be a really good thing to consider. Even if someone doesn't listen to it, that's okay, because if you know the golden rule of social proof, which is the more you have the better, it'll work. You can load up a bunch of audio testimonials along with your images, videos, and written testimonials, which will make your social proof power that much stronger. But is the audio social proof better than the other types? Well, not necessarily. You're gonna have to test and see what works best for you, but you never know how someone likes to consume your content. So in the long run, giving people more options can only be a benefit. The best part is, audio testimonials can be used as podcast episodes, giveaways, and used in all sorts of different ways. So start considering working in some audio testimonials with what you're doing with your marketing.